Welcome, DIY Solar and Wind. If you're new here, go ahead and click the like, the share, and please comment. I'm growing the channel pretty good. It's going to be mostly cloudy all day with some chances of sunshine. So I got out here, I dusted off the panels pretty good. The one right there's got a lot of ice on it. I got quite a bit of ice off them over the last 24 hours. The ones in the backyard are completely covered. I didn't even dust those off yet. But I wanted to get out here and say thank you to a lot of my subscribers. I'm so busy with what I'm doing. I had a wonderful opportunity of getting up to 300 subscribers in a month, and I want to share a lot of that eventually. But right now, for everybody that's commenting on all my videos, and I don't have time to get over to your videos and comment, like, share, I just want to shout you out and say thank you for helping me with my community. And if I say it right, Jason Helmendollar, okay? Thank you. You're amazing. I found one just the other day, Stand Last. He's got solar. You don't have hardly any subscribers at all. Let's get him started. Leave a comment in there on how to grow your YouTube channel. He needs some advice. He's got awesome content. And I haven't got in there to see what all he has, but I think he's got a better solar system than me. Beer-bellied travelers, thank you. They're about, I'm guessing, 2 hours north of me. Here in, I'm in Lower Michigan. They go around the pubs. They do taste testing for different beers, breweryanas, and I like what they do. And they camp a lot. Gotta love carpet pythons. She leaves a lot of comments on my videos. But if you're into reptiles and snakes, you're gonna love her pythons. She's got a lot of them. One of my big tips is I found Green Bay Wacky. This guy is a comedian. He's got about 2,100 people, something like that, 2,100 subscribers. He goes live almost every single day, and when he gets in there, he tells people sub for sub. If that's not what you're looking for, you can still check out. There are lots of people that get in there. Usually he's 60 to 110 people on his live chat the entire way through. He might be on there for an hour. He might be on there for 3 hours. But definitely you're going to get subs if you want. There's all kinds. There's people playing music in there if you want music for your videos. I can't think of the name, but I'm going to give this guy a shout out here pretty soon. Technic Beats or something like that. When I get his name down, he's probably going to be on tomorrow's list for shout out. He's got some pretty awesome stuff in there. So if you guys can find me a homestead here around the Battle Creek, Michigan area, I'd appreciate it. Then I won't have to worry about trees blocking the neighbors' trees, blocking the sunlight, and cars going by all the time. And I want to make the shout out also for Black Mountainside. Thank you for sticking in there. And this guy, I believe, is Australia. Pop's Shack. He's got solar and he's got bees. He's got an awful lot of bees. This guy is amazing. Sometimes he switches the queen to different hives, and I don't know why or how, but I want to know. I want to stay tuned, because when I get a homestead, I want to venture that direction also. And the Neils. Thank you, the Neils. Thank you. Thank you all for staying tuned, keeping in check, leaving comments and likes, and sticking with me, even though I've been working probably 8-hour days actually when I get home from work. So I'm growing my community, and I'm going to help you guys grow your communities. That is a promise. And I will keep on with the shout outs, and I will keep on buying more stuff. Oh, if you want to learn how to go off grid, it's in the description, that first link down below. That's to my playlist, so you can go, as I had added one solar panel at a time right here, all the way up to 13 solar panels for the off-grid system. And you need to learn that, and you can save a tremendous amount on your energy bill. My last energy bill was $65. That's pretty good during all these Arctic blast winters, Arctic blast storms. Okay, thank you, and have a nice sunny day.